How to download videos from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to save videos or download videos from Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a Snapchat application and sign into your account. Navigate to profile at top left corner and then tap on gear icon at top right. Scroll down and navigate to Memories. After that, tap on Save button and choose Memories and Camera Roll or simply Camera Roll and come back to your Snapchat. After that, tap on the chat icon at bottom left corner and you can easily open a particular snap video that you want to download. Suppose if these are the video you want to download, long press on the video. Now tap Save to Camera Roll and this video will be downloaded to your camera. After that, if you wish to capture your own video, then tap on the bottom center camera icon and then record a video. After that, you can tap on the save icon at bottom left corner and it will be saved on your gallery. So in this way, you can easily download videos from your Snapchat. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.